See the AXIO Disable Permanently Close feature in action in this product demo. Dynamics 365 offers a feature that enables the permanent disabling of a fiscal period by legal entity. This prevents any further postings to that period, which is beneficial for maintaining financial accuracy. However, it can be challenging if the period is accidentally closed. AXIO introduces a new feature that removes the Permanent Close option from the period status field, leaving only the On Hold and Open statuses available. This feature helps prevent accidental period closings and can be toggled on or off as needed. The AXIO parameters allow you to enable or disable all AXIO features. To manage this specific feature, select General Ledger. To enable or disable this AXIO feature, click on the Disable Permanently Close field to toggle this feature on or off. Want to see how AXIO can speed up the implementation process and accelerate your return on investment? Speak with one of our experts at Velosio.